What's up, everyone, and welcome back today. We're getting a red-hot glimpse of the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Type R. This legendary hot hatch is back and ready to tear up the streets, and we're diving deep into all the juicy details. Aggressive design and aerodynamic prowess. Just one look at this beast, and you know it means business. The 2025 Type R boasts an aggressive design with sculpted body lines that scream performance. A distinctive rear wing and enlarged air intakes hint at the aerodynamic efficiency that keeps this car glued to the road. Every curve and line is sculpted for both looks and downright speed. Driver-focused interior with modern tech. Slide inside the cockpit, and you're greeted by a driver-focused paradise. Sport bucket seats hug you in tight. A leather-wrapped steering wheel feels amazing in your hands, and aluminum pedals add a race-inspired touch. But this Type R isn't all about pure performance. A high-tech touchscreen infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster keep you connected and informed. Under the hood, power and precision. Gearheads, rejoice. The news you've all been waiting for. The turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is back. This powerhouse cranks out an impressive 315 horsepower, promising an exhilarating driving experience. And with 310 pound-feet of torque, you'll have heart-pounding acceleration that pushes you back in your seat. Honda isn't compromising safety for performance. The 2025 Civic Type R packs a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. These features give you peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or carving up your favorite canyon road. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R stays true to its heritage. It's a perfect blend of raw power, precision handling, and everyday usability. This hot hatch is a dream for driving enthusiasts, offering an exhilarating experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. So, what do you think about the 2025 Honda Civic Type R? Is it a worthy successor to the Type R legacy? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.